Also anxious for the Supreme Court decision, ATVN's Vanessa talked to some of them to find out what the ruling would mean to them.
Dave Garcia at the LGBT Center in Los Angeles hopes the Supreme Court will give same-sex couples the right to marry.
I could tell you more than a dozen couples who I have shared dinner and drinks with, who are very close to me, who this directly affects. So it is very personal for me, and many of us have been fighting for this for, as you said, many, many years. It is about love. It's simply about two people who want to share their lives in love and under the protection of the law.
Parishioners of the All Saints Church in Pasadena believe in marriage equality and held a prayer service.
I have been married now to my wife almost a year. Our anniversary is June 28th. And so it's a personal issue for me to want other couples across the country to have the same kind of both equal blessing and equal protection that we have in our marriage. Equal protection from the Constitution shouldn't depend on the zip code you live in.
Even though the All Saints Church here in Pasadena believes in marriage equality and equal rights, there are still organizations all across the United States who don't believe in same-sex marriage. The Traditional Values Coalition is one of those organizations that opposes same-sex marriage. They say, quote, "This case is not about the right to marry a person of the same sex or equal protection for a fundamental right. It is not about who may marry, but what marriage is." But others disagree and think it's completely about equal rights.
We're still on that journey to becoming the country we were created to be, where liberty and justice for all really means all.
Until then, Susan Russell and gay rights activists will keep fighting for marriage equality. Vanessa Gomez, ATVN.